Hi, I'm Vince Badali, DDS, and thank you for returning to another CrossKeys Dental Minute. In a previous video, we covered the important structures of a tooth, and in another, the development of tooth decay. In this CrossKeys Dental Minute, we'll put both ideas together and talk about how a cavity affects a tooth and some of the principles that drive our decision making. Decay starts, essentially, as a small acid etch. We've talked about that before, but over time, and depending on how well you take care of your teeth, a cavity might form. When it is small, we call this an incipient lesion. It may look something like this. On an X-ray, it may look like this. These can be remineralized by fluoride and minerals found in saliva, and often do not require repair. Decay that appears to have reached the junction between the first and the second layers of the tooth, that's the enamel and the dentin, those require repair. And they're often too deep to remineralize effectively, and you risk allowing the cavity to deepen, causing a lot more trouble. Once decay reaches that junction, it tends to flare out and then drive toward the pulp. It may look something like this. And it often appears to look this way on an X-ray. This might not be felt by the patient, but it will widen and deepen from that point, eventually causing a toothache. Worse yet, the cavity can then get very close to pulpal tissue, causing great pain and sometimes the need for root canal therapy. If the cavity reaches the pulp, this means that the pulp tissue has become infected. That's where the nerve lives. And that means that root canal therapy is definitely required in order to save the tooth. We'll cover the basics of root canal therapy, the whys and the hows, at another time. If you suspect that you have a cavity, or it's been a while since you've been to the dentist, give CrossKeys Dental a call today. We always recommend early detection and repair of tooth decay to avoid some of the issues that we've talked about here in this video. Thank you so much for watching the CrossKeys Dental Minute. And remember, CrossKeys Dental is always accepting new patients.